Hello and welcome to DORIS CCTV. Today we are unboxing EZVIZ Video Doorbell DB2 Pro. This doorbell is battery powered, comes with a chime inside the box. Doorbell resolution is 2K. 5 megapixel. Okay, let's open the box and see what's inside it. There is a small guideline of EZVIZ products. Okay, this is important. On the card says Wi-Fi network must be only 2.4 GHz. So if your internet router does not have 2.4 GHz, please make sure to enable it. Then we have the main unit doorbell. It has power button and temper button. If the items is removed from wall bracket, it will send you notification. Also, you can add SD card up to 256 gig. And this is the chime. Comes with a UK 3-pin plug. You can insert SD memory card. And a little reset button there. On the accessories part, we have user manual in different languages including English. We have backplate and drill template here. This one is a foam pad to fill the gap on installation. Double-sided tape. The next one is installation kit. Items included are screwdriver, a USB charger, pin to remove the bracket from the doorbell, set of screws and electric cable with twist-on connectors. Also, it comes with right and left angle bracket. That is a good option to give angle to the doorbell according to your installation. And some more information about the company and products. We will have another video to show you the features and how to set it up. Thanks for watching our video. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.